In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom view in Zoho Desk. Creating custom views can be incredibly helpful for tailoring your workspace to fit your specific needs and enhance efficiency. In our example today, we're going to focus on setting up a custom view in the Contracts module. But this process can be applied to any module within Zoho Desk, whether it's tickets, contacts, or accounts. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific module where you're interested in creating this custom view. Since we're using the Contracts module, go ahead and click on Contracts in your left-hand sidebar. This area is essentially your dashboard for everything related to contracts, facilitating a tailored experience. Now, once you're in the module, the next step is to locate the section where all the views are listed. This could be in a sidebar or a drop-down menu, usually found at the top or on the left-hand side of your screen. Identifying the correct area to add a custom view is crucial to managing your workspace effectively. After you've found the Views section, look for a plus icon or a button labeled Add Custom View. Once you click on this, it will open up the New View or Create Custom View page. This is where you'll be able to customize what you see in the module according to your criteria and preferences. It's like setting up a personalized filter where only the relevant information shines through. It's essential to think about what kind of information you want to display in this view. The custom view settings allow you to choose specific data points that are relevant to you while hiding the rest. Take your time to decide what will be most useful for your purposes. If you often need to track contracts by client, for instance, consider adding filters that highlight this information prominently. Once you've set your parameters, the last step is to save your view. Clicking the Create button is vital to ensure your new view is stored and ready to use whenever you need it. And just like that, you've successfully customized your Zoho Desk module to cater to your specific needs. Congratulations on setting up your custom view. This small step can make a big difference in how you work and manage your contracts within Zoho Desk. By optimizing your workspace to fit your workflow, you're setting yourself up for greater efficiency and organization. Feel free to revisit and adjust these settings as your needs evolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Zoho Desk.